In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect JBL headphones to Xbox Series S. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna showcase how you can set up and use your JBL headphones on an Xbox console. Even though I'm gonna be talking about the Xbox Series S, whatever I say in this video will also apply for Xbox One and Xbox Series X. So I'm gonna be teaching you how to connect a wired or a wireless headset or headphones if they were designed for Xbox consoles, and what to do if your specific set of headphones are not compatible. So first, if you have a set of wired headphones, it's as simple as plugging them into the headphone jack. This is no secret. All that you have to do is grab one end of the cable and then plug it into the Xbox. The other end of the cable will go into the JBL headset, and it's as simple as establishing the connection. This headset here, or headphones, is the 100X from JBL, and they are designed to work with Xbox. Now, JBL also makes wireless Xbox headphones. So as you can see, this one is going to be the Quantum 360X. And as I've said before, it is designed to work with Xbox consoles. It is wireless, so all that you have to do is plug in the USB receiver, plug it into any of the available USB ports, and as soon as you power on the headphones, it should automatically pair itself up to the dongle. Again, there is no secret to this. It's super simple. Now, the difficulty will come into play if you have a set of headphones from JBL that is not natively compatible, or it connects over Bluetooth. If your specific set of JBL headphones is not designed for Xbox, then Bluetooth will not work. For whatever reason, Xbox consoles do not have support for Bluetooth audio, so you have two main options. One of them is going to be by going to the TV settings. So on your TV, go to the sound settings and connect the JBL headphones over Bluetooth to your TV. So essentially, the audio from the Xbox is going over to the TV, and because the TV will be connected to the JBL headphones over Bluetooth, you will be able to hear everything that happens on the Xbox. Of course, this might introduce a little bit of latency, but it is a convenient way if you don't want to purchase adapters. As I've said before, because you need to connect the JBL headphones over Bluetooth if they are wireless, but they aren't designed for Xbox, they have to be connected to a TV, because the Xbox does not support Bluetooth audio, so this won't work. Alternatively, if you really want to connect it directly to your Xbox, you will have to purchase an adapter like this. There are other models available, but I chose to showcase this one from Savage Raven. As you can see, it plugs into your controller, and essentially it is going to allow Bluetooth headphones to connect to your controller. So you can use Bluetooth, but it is going to cost you a little bit because it is going to be an adapter. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect JBL headphones to Xbox Series S. If this helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.